Walking meditation. Go for a walk in the countryside or a park on your own. This is a walk with no purpose apart from relaxing. You are not walking your dog or going anywhere in particular. You are not exercising or getting fit. You are going to go for a walk purely and simply to relax. Don't look around you particularly, but try to focus ahead so you can see where you are going but are not looking at anything in particular. Let thoughts come to you, but always try to remember that you are walking to meditate. Feel the motion of your body through the countryside and be aware of the feel of the air on your face, the smells, the sense of being outdoors. Allow your breathing to be relaxed, diaphragmatic rather than upper chest. Occasionally take a deep breath to free up any tension you may have. Allow about 20 minutes several times a week to walk purely for pleasure and relaxation with no other purpose. The dog can wait.